Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you how to shorten Google Drive link. So first head over to Google Drive, typing Google Drive in Google, sign in with your account. I'm already signed in here. So let's choose a file here to shorten its URL. For example, this one. Click on this file, and I'll just click here, click on Share. So here, I am the only one with access to this file, so here we get to choose anyone with the link. Copy link. Now if you paste this link, as you see, it's a very long link. So we're going to use some web app called TinyURL. Type in TinyURL in Google. Hit the first Google search result. This TinyURL will help us to shorten our Google Drive link, so this will make the Google Drive link much shorter and easier to read and share. Now, just paste your long URL here and add an address here. For example, screenshot 1, so you gotta be creative here. So because there is a lot of reserved names in the alias, so you can also not choose to add any alias at all, and click on Shorten Link. Now TinyURL will give us a very short link and easy to share for your here. It says alias is already must be at least 5 characters. So understand, for example, this alias. So here are our new Google Drive link, very simple, easy to read Google Drive link. And that's it guys. If you found this hack helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.